Can you change your cat's name? Here's how to do it right. All right, cat lovers, let's start with a quick quiz. Your cat has been responding to the same name for years. One day, you decide to change it completely. How do you think your cat will react? A. Look at you with utter disappointment and knock something off the table. B. Pretend they don't hear you, just like they do half the time anyway. C. Take a little time to adjust, but eventually start recognizing the new name. D. Respond immediately because names don't matter to cats at all. Think you know the answer? Stick around, because today we're diving into whether you can actually change your cat's name and how to do it the right way. The answer might surprise you. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe for more cat wisdom and tips. Do cats recognize their names? So first things first, do cats actually recognize their names? The short answer is yes, but not in the way humans do. Studies have shown that cats can distinguish their names from other words, but they don't necessarily understand them as a part of their identity. Instead, they recognize the sound pattern and associate it with experiences like food, affection, or playtime. That's why changing a cat's name isn't as big of a deal as it would be for a dog or a human. But that doesn't mean you should just start calling them something completely different overnight. There's a method to this madness. Step 1. Choose the right name. If you're renaming your cat, try to pick something that's easy to say and somewhat similar to their current name. Cats respond better to names that are short, ideally 1 or 2 syllables, with clear and distinct sounds. If your cat's original name was Luna and you want to change it, something like Lulu or Nala will be easier for them to recognize than something completely different, like Professor Whiskers. Step 2. Introduce the new name gradually. Instead of suddenly switching from Mittens to Tiger overnight, start by using both names together. For example, you can say Mittens Tiger for a few days, then slowly drop the old name. This helps your cat adjust to the new sound. Step 3. Associate the new name with positive experiences. Cats are more likely to respond to a name if they associate it with good things. Every time you say your cat's new name, make sure something positive happens. Offer a treat, give them chin scratches, or use a happy, affectionate tone. If they come to you when you say their new name, reward them immediately. This reinforcement will help them make the connection faster. Step 4. Use the name consistently. Consistency is key. Once you've chosen the new name, stick with it. Don't go back and forth between names and make sure everyone in the household uses the new name consistently. If you keep switching names or calling them by nicknames too soon, it might confuse your cat and slow down the learning process. Step 5. Be patient. Some cats adjust to a new name within days, while others might take a few weeks. It depends on their personality and how often you use the new name. The more you associate it with positive experiences, the faster they'll catch on. What if your cat ignores their name? Let's be honest. Some cats ignore their names no matter what you call them. If your cat refuses to respond, it's not necessarily because they don't recognize the name. Some cats simply don't care. However, using their name consistently, pairing it with treats or attention, and saying it in an upbeat tone can increase the chances of them responding. So yes, you can absolutely change your cat's name. Just remember to choose a simple, distinct name, introduce it gradually, and use positive reinforcement to help your cat adjust. Whether you're renaming a newly adopted cat or just giving your longtime feline a fresh new identity, a little patience and consistency will make the transition easy. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more cat tips and tricks. See you in the next video.